Hey traders, the number one crypto trading skill you need to master is the skill of performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair, step by step. Keep watching. As always, the first step of an effective cryptocurrency technical analysis is to switch the candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency to the 4-hour candlestick time frame. Why? Because if you plan your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a 1-minute or 5-minute candlestick price charts, the odds of hitting your profit loss ratio for the trade will be very slim. And that means you're more likely to lose than you might win in a very volatile market price action. For example, I've switched the candlestick price chart data of every cryptocurrency to the 4-hour candlestick time frame. And next up, the question is, what are the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair? Is it support and resistance? Nope. Is it breakout or breakdown? Nope. Is it cup and handle? Nope. Is it indicators? Nope. In fact, to provide a more decent answer to that question, we analyzed the candlestick price chart data of over 1,000 cryptocurrency pairs to learn more about the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. And thanks to the data provided by the tradingview.com chart page, we discovered that the entire candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency is divided into sections of bullish trend and sections of bearish trend. Hence, the name Bullish Trend section and Bearish Trend section was formed. So, the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair are the Bullish Trend section and the Bearish Trend section of the cryptocurrency price action. Believe it or not, that's all you need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. And if you can get it right from the start, you will continue to make more money from your crypto trading business for life. For example, this bullish trend section bounced up by approximately 64%, and this bullish trend section bounced up by approximately 74%. And next up, this bullish trend section bounced up by approximately 85%. And next up, this bullish trend section bounced up by approximately 80%. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 65%. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 61%. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 61%. And next up, this bullish trend section bounced up by approximately 41%. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 63%. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 50%. And next up, this bullish trend section bounced up by approximately 43%. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 12,000%. Massive dip down. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 207%. And next up, this bullish trend section bounced up by approximately 748%. Massive bounce. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 244%. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 78%. And next up, this bearish trend section dipped down by approximately 127%. Look, traders, your duty as a cryptocurrency trader is to identify the start of a new bullish trend section or bearish trend section and open a trade position when the bullish trend section or bearish trend section is just starting to gain momentum to bounce or dump in price action. And you have to make sure that your entry and stop loss prices are constantly at the 15% and 9% of the start of the bullish trend section or bearish trend section. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the bullish trend section and the bearish trend section of price action, it's ranging from 40% to over 1000%. The question is, how much money can you potentially make as profit going long on the bullish trend section and going short on the bearish trend section? For example, let's say you opened a long trade position on all the bullish trend sections and a short trade position on all the bearish trend sections with $100 worth of trading capital. You would have made approximately 20% to over 1000% profit going long and short on the various bullish trend sections and bearish trend sections of the cryptocurrency price action. So with $100 worth of trading capital, you can make amazing gains that can gradually grow your small crypto trading account exponentially. If you found value from watching this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this huge profit trading system. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.